In this video, we will explain how to supervise SNMP devices using the Dragonfly AR alarm reporting web application. To access the Supervision configuration, click the Config menu, then select SNMP and then Supervision. The Supervision page presents the list of devices that are currently being supervised by Dragonfly AR. This supervision occurs through the Dragonfly SNMP service, which runs through a scheduled task on the server. To create this task, you can click the Create Task button. Note, if you have purchased the server directly from MTI, this task should already exist on the server. When you have made changes to the list of supervised devices, you will need to export the list to the Dragonfly SNMP service. To do this, click the Export button. To create a new supervision item, click the New button. To edit an existing supervision item, select the item from the table and then click the Edit button. When you click the New or Edit button on the supervision page, you will be taken to a page to edit the supervision item. You have the option to create a completely custom supervision item or to use the SNMP template. The device template field allows you to select a template to use in creating this supervision item. The device name field lets you designate a name for the SNMP device. The IP address field assigns the IP address for the SNMP device. The category field allows you to assign a category for this device. Once you have entered the supervision item information, click the Save button. Note, you must save the item before adding the supervision objects. Once you have saved the item, under the Device Supervision section, you can add or edit the supervised objects by clicking the Add or Edit buttons. You can use the Quick Add button by first selecting the supervision template from the drop-down that you wish to add. Then, when you click the Quick Add button or press the F8 key, a new item will be added to the device supervision table, and all the fields in the table for that item will be editable. You can tab through those fields, changing the values, and then press the Save button or press the Enter key. You can use the Quick Edit button by first selecting the existing supervision object you wish to edit from the table. Then you can click the Quick Edit button or press the F9 key, which will change the item's fields to be editable. You can then tab through the fields and change the values. Once you have finished, click the Save button or press the Enter key. If you choose the Detailed Edit or Add for the button instead of the Quick Add or Edit buttons, a side panel will show, allowing you to edit the supervision object. The Supervision Template drop-down allows you to select the template object. The Title field allows you to specify a name for the object. The Object Name field designates the SNMP specific name for the object. When you select the template, this field will be populated. Keep in mind, you may have to change the index number at the end of the object name to address a specific object. The Frequency field specifies the frequency in seconds with which the object will be polled from the device for its value. The Output IP field specifies the IP address of the MTI embedded controller that will receive the output for an alarm state when the object indicates alarm. The Output Channel field designates the logic channel on the MTI controller that should receive the output. The Output Register designates the logic register on the controller for the output. The Output Address field specifies the logic address for the output. The output time specifies the length of time in milliseconds that the output to the EC should be held. The description field allows you to provide a description of the object. The alarm states list specifies the various object values that should trigger an alarm state. If a template is selected, these values will automatically populate. However, the user can designate custom values if desired. To designate a value, enter it into the alarm states field and then click the Add button. To remove an alarm state, click the minus sign next to that value. Once you have finished adding an object, click the Save button. To find out more about the MTI detention control system and Dragonfly AR, or to request a demo, please contact us by emailing sales@montgomerytechnology.com or give us a call at 800-392-8292.